Straw has always been part of the cultural and visual code of Ukraine. For Ukrainians, it associates with warmth, home comfort, beauty, and a holiday. Among the picturesque landscapes of Vinnytsia region, in the very heart of the agricultural region of Ukraine, works the Pellegreen company, a producer of eco-friendly straw pellets. Pellegreen is the largest Ukrainian exporter of the pellets. 95% of straw pellets are exported to EU countries by Pellegreen company. The production capacity of the plant is 55,000 tons of pellets per year. Our production chain covers the whole cycle and includes straw cutting, drying, grinding, conditioning, granulation, cooling, and separation. To ensure consistent pellet quality, straw is collected using special equipment. Pellegreen uses only 100% natural and environmentally friendly raw materials, straw grains, rapeseed crops, alfalfa, and miscanthus. Production is carried out on the modern equipment and unique technology of German Amandus Kahl production lines. At all stages, from production to delivery, Pellegreen provides quality guarantees confirmed by European certificates. With the growing demand of energy, the reserves of fossil fuels on the planet are gradually being depleted. It is therefore vital using natural, renewable, and eco-friendly sources of clean energy. Pellegreen aims to bring ecological and safe heat to your homes at an affordable price. The economic efficiency and quality of Pellegreen fuel pellets are confirmed by a large positive experience of use in heating, domestic furnaces, industrial boilers, and power plants. Due to the high density and irregular shape of the pellets, it is very convenient to implement automatic combustion control for economic efficiency. 1 ton of fuel pellets replaces 12 tons of wood, 450 cubic meters of gas, or 420 liters of diesel fuel. There is 15 times less carbon dioxide released into atmosphere in pellets burning than coal. Pellegreen relate to their work as an art. We believe in a sustainable and eco-friendly approach to business. We combined it with innovative product improvements in those industries where we have huge experience.